They're like, what was that noise?
Andrew, that was for real.
Bless you. Bless you.
No, I think she got it. She was recording something. Oh, do it
He
again.
didn't do that. Didn't get rid of him.
No.